Hi friends, it's Mr. Kindness again presenting this English video for grade 11A, and here the material is on screen B2 and the topic is progress check. We are going to cover this from module 6 pages 98 to 100. So friends, this video is for a 3 days study and you can see it here, the day's activity, and please take notice of the spelling bee, which is part of your homework. Please, I want you to memorize these words as it is very important. And also notice, as we said in the last video, that all your homeworks are from unit 6. So I want you to complete all the pending homeworks you have on page from module 6. Let's make progress to the day's activity. Here we have exercise 3, word formation. We stopped in exercise 2 the other time. So exercise 3, what is the aim of this exercise? Here we want to practice word formation. So say complete with the correct form of the words in brackets. These words in brackets, we have patient, communicate, science, move. So we want to complete. You can check the answers here. Good. Please, I want you to pause this video and write the correct answers into your note or your textbook. Alright? In number 4, exercise 4 say, write as many words as you can think of derived from the words in the list as in the example. We have behave, and these are the words that have been derived from behave. Here we want to practice how to form derivatives. So what do we have for science? Apply, react, and investigate. Here they come. For science, we have this, and take notice that the part of speech has been given there too. So take notice of them and try to learn them. And that counts for react. This is for investigate, and this is for succeed. Good. Now we want to go over to the next, which is write as many words as possible. Okay, we've taken this. Okay, this is for grammar in focus. For grammar in focus, this is the answer to grammar in focus. Put the verbs in brackets into the correct terms, then complete the gaps. These are the answers to use in completing these gaps. Okay, so we want to make progress to progress check. Here we want to read this passage and choose the best answers A, B, C, or D. Check your answers. Please friends, you can see how I have done it here. I was able to tell you the lines where the answers were taken from. C, one is C and it's taken from line 9. So you can equally see D is taken from line 34. Did you get that? Make progress to number 2 that says choose the correct response. Could you please repair it? Will it be A or B? What do you think? Let's see. 1 is B, 2 A, 3 B, and 4 B. Please make sure you're writing these answers, fill in your textbook, and endeavor to write the dates on them too. We now make progress to the next, which is exercise 3. Here is listening, but we are not going to be listening. We are going to read the test. The test about what? We are going to read the test about a college lecture on social networking site. So when you read this test, choose the correct answer A, B, or C. So which is correct? We want to check. Okay, CC, BB, CC. Okay, make progress to the next. Number 5, grammar. Number 4, put the verbs in brackets into the correct terms. These are the verb reply, buy, know, choose. Friends, always remember, for you to know what to put here, you must read these to the end. You must read above this space given. That will give you a clue what to put. You get to know if it is a past tense or a present tense or a past participle, how to correct the tense. Let's check the answer now. Here comes the answer. Yeah, you see, we reply, then had bought. The past tense of buy is what? Bought. No, new. You get that right? Good. Okay, the next exercise is exercise 5, vocabulary. Here we want to consolidate vocabularies we've learned from the unit. Fill in browser, deleted, conduct, save, apply, install, networking access, develop, and workload. Fill these words into the space. You can dash hundreds of files on a smartphone. What can you do on a smartphone? Let's check. Here comes the answer. Wow, save. You can save hundreds of files on a smartphone. So you can equally complete others. Make sure you write these answers in your textbook. I wouldn't want to see your textbooks empty. We want to make progress to CIS, and CIS has to do with writing an essay. Writing an essay. Your teacher has asked you to write an essay about the pros and cons. Friends, do you remember what is pros and cons? Advantages and disadvantages of blogging. Write your essay 140 to 190 words. What are you going to write about? Developing friendships, personal information, and your own idea. I want you to give a hand on this, and I want to see what you've done. But you can cross-check with mine. You will see something I have done here. I have itemized them in a sequence that first and secondly, advantages, then you can see how I have given the disadvantages, and here you can see my stand. All in all, although there are disadvantages of blogging, I believe the benefit outweighs them. So what am I saying? Blogging is good despite it has disadvantages. Correct. So friends, it's been a wonderful time and I love you all. Please endeavor to do your homework for each day and do not leave your books empty. From me to you, it's many thanks and see you soon. Remember, I love you all and will always love you. I miss you too. Bye. See you all soon.